your girl TV, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm just showing you how I install this T-part wig from Afsisterwig. This hair is such good quality. Not only is it good quality, it didn't shed. I put some conditioner in it because I wanted the curls to like get in full effect. You know how you get curly hair and it's just very crinkly? Like I wanted to add some, you know, like some shine, not only some shine but like some movement. I added some baby hairs. I didn't show that on camera. I showed y'all the basis of me installing the wig. I did fluff it out after wetting it because I like the fluffy look. I'm such a voluminous type of girl because I just like how natural it gives. You know how you just have a wet I feel like wet hair, like when it's wet, I feel like when you wet hair, it's doable for me personally. It's doable for when your hair is longer, like. But when your hair is shorter, I feel like having it be voluminous is the way to go because it just looks so natural that way. This is how the box looks. I will link their Instagram in the description bar. They were completely so nice. They actually reached out to me, so it was super cool having a company reach out to me. Very fast customer service. They answered questions pretty well. If I didn't get something, they were on it. And yeah, I have no complaints about this hair. Like I look super cute. Like why should I complain when I look cute? No complaints. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications to get notified every time I post. Not only that, I will link all my social medias in the description bar, and so you guys can follow me, keep up with me, follow my podcast, all that good stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys tune in for the next one. Bye guys. So yeah, in this video I'm gonna just be showing you all about this wig. It is a highlighter wig, so I'm gonna see, and y'all know, if anyone knows me knows that I just recently got my hair done in highlights, so I kind of know how I look in highlights at the moment. So yeah, so this is the box it came in. It's a little messy due to me. It comes in this, and I believe it is a 14-inch T-part wig. It has plastic paper in the middle, and I love the fact that it has an elastic band. And these are absolutely better. They're like mini bra straps kind of. And then you can choose whether you want them on or not, which is super cool. You can like take it off, put them on, and that's super cool because they also give you the bottom. So this wig not going nowhere. I guarantee you it's not going nowhere. Not unless you let it, but it's not going nowhere. And the reason I have my hair in a ponytail is because I'm not braiding my hair back because I'm probably not going to keep my hair like this for a while. Like I'm always changing my hair, so sometimes I wear my natural hair, sometimes I go on a wig. So it has 2 side combs and 1 in the middle, and also 1 on the bottom. Now I typically don't use honestly combs at all, but I might just for today because I might be going out. So but I definitely am not, I don't ever use middle. I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like it's kind of pointless. But some people I know make use of it because it is a T-part wig. Let me show y'all. So that means around the perimeter of your head, the front of your head, it's there, but the part is just one single part. And the lace looks pretty good as well too for a T-part. So I threw my hot comb away. So don't have a hot comb, so I can't really press it like I want to, but we're gonna make it look good. We're gonna make it look good without a hot comb, hopefully. Real quick, I'm not cutting the perimeter of this. Like I'm not doing like a real neat frontal install because again, I don't keep them in on side. And yeah, we're just gonna make this simple and easy. So sorry if it got extremely loud in my household. My family is here. So yeah, I just put some conditioner in a spray bottle along with some water, and I'm just going to Now, don't mind my baby hairs on this side. I feel like they look so much better on this side because they're more like thinner. I was doing the most on this side, as you can tell, but I'm just going to spray it. And I don't have my what am I trying to say? I don't have my hot comb, so I can't lay it as much as I would like, but we're going to, ooh, now you're dripping. I'm not gonna totally wet it because I still want some volume, and I know like it would eventually come, obviously, but I am about to go out and I don't want to go out with it completely wet. I should have put a towel on. So I did put some conditioner in there, well, leave-in conditioner along with some water, and this is the finished look. I'm obsessed. It's giving natural. I didn't really pluck, as you can see, but it's still really cute. I like the big voluminous kind of look. I feel like it gives more like a natural vibe. The hair didn't really shed. It was very simple. I love that I didn't have to like bleach anything. Like, look at that. Look at that, okay? I didn't have to like bleach anything. Everything was pretty simple. The lace was nice. It wasn't like harsh. It doesn't irritate my skin. I'm just gonna say it's Afsisterwig because I don't know if it's Afsisterwig, but Afsisterwig is definitely the way to go. I will link this wig down in the description. It was purchased through Amazon. They do have an Instagram, I believe, and I'll link that below as well. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in to this wig review. Definitely super cute, and it goes with my eyes, so it's just like, it's just very, 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 very cute. It's giving what it's supposed to give. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to get notified every time I post. Not only that, I will link my podcast down in the description. We're tuning in live on Monday at 7 p.m. You don't want to miss that. Make sure you tune in. It's every Monday at 7, so yeah, you can always tune in if you do miss it. And then we always do upload either the live on the page, or what we're starting to do is just do the audio and upload it on YouTube. Now, real quick before I go, does it make sense for me to just make a separate YouTube with the podcast audios as opposed to combining them with my hair videos? I know that's like kind of discombobulated and disorganized, so I was like, dang, I might need to make a new hair channel because it's just too much at once. So yeah, I may just do that. Let me know what I should do though. I like hearing you guys input or whatever. But yeah, I love you guys, and I hope you guys tune in for the next video.